So welcome students. So in this question, given that you have a parabola y square is equal to 4x, and if you draw normals at the ends of double ordinate x is equal to 4. So if you have x is equal to 4 is a vertical line. So this is a double ordinate. If you draw normals at the end of manage this as a and b. So this is a normal at b, and this meets the curve again at point p dash, and the normal at a meets the curve again at p. The normal at a and b meets the curve at p and p dash. If that is so, p dash, the length between p and p dash, is equal to 12 units. That's the first statement. And the second statement is, we have a normal at t1 meeting the curve again at t2, then t1 square is equal to 2 plus t1 t2. So the second statement is a theoretical statement. So we know that if a normal at t1 meets the parabola again at t2, then t2 is equal to minus t1 minus 2 by t1. So this is a very standard statement in your theory of parabola. So t2 is equal to minus t1 square minus 2 by t1. This implies t1 t2 plus 2 is equal to minus t1 square. So t1 square is equal to minus 2 minus t1 t2. That would be the right statement. So this statement is wrong, because you should have a minus t square here, if this has to be correct. Now, so the second statement is wrong. Now let us check the first statement using the correct theory. So if a normal at t1 meets the curve again at t2, then t2 is equal to minus t1 minus 2 by t1. That is the correct statement. Now we have drawn normals at the endpoints of the double ordinate x is equal to 4. Now what is the parametric point on this parabola? The parametric point on this parabola, because for this parabola a is equal to 1, the parametric point is t square comma 2t. Now if you're talking about the points of intersection for x is equal to 4, that means t square is equal to 4. This implies t is equal to plus or minus 2. T is equal to plus or minus 2. So one point corresponds to t is equal to 2. The point in the fourth quadrant corresponds to t is equal to minus 2. Now if t is equal to minus 2, what is the other end of the normal? So if this normal meets the curve again at the point p, so p corresponds to, so if this is minus 2, 2 plus 2 by 2, minus of minus 2, minus of 2 by minus 2, that is plus 2 by 2, that is nothing but p corresponds to the parameter 3. Similarly, if you have 2 here, so p dash corresponds to minus 2 minus 2 by 2, that means p dash corresponds to minus 3. P dash corresponds to the coordinate, the parameter minus 3. So if you take p and p dash, one of the point corresponds to a parameter 3, the other point corresponds to a parameter minus 3. So again, that means p dash will also be a double ordinate. So what are the coordinates of p? The coordinates of p are nothing but, so if you take p as 3, 9 and 6, and the corresponding coordinates of p dash are nothing but 9 comma minus 6. So one is 9 6, one is 9 minus 6. Hence p dash is obviously equal to 12 units, because the x coordinate is same. If you use the distance formula, you get 12 units. So the first statement is true, but the second statement is false. So that would be the answer to this question. Thank you.